Okay, so that no one's got lost, we've got a front cover and we've got our back of our front cover. And we're going to want this to rotate, but we want it to rotate on this side, and if we assign something to it now, it will rotate in the middle, and we do not want that. So we're going to create an empty object. So right click, create empty, and we're going to change the name of it to front of book. Okay, and I'm going to move, I'm going to make sure you have the pointer, and we're going to move it over here. I want to make sure it's exactly, you know, as close as you can get to the edge here. We want it right there, so that when it flips, it will flip at the right side. And we're going to add front cover to this, and we may as well add this inside front cover to it also. Okay, so that's one object now. And then we want to, in our scripts folder, we want to create a new script, and I'm going to call this open book. Okay, let's double click it. I'm going to reload. I'd already started this and messed it up, so that's the reason we're redoing the video. Maybe I'll do better this time. Okay, so let me see this. We're going to add system. We're going to add the NT engine. UI, and then I want system so that we can check date and time. Now I'm saving my work. And to start with, we want this button up here. We can make it public if we want, or we can do serialized fill. And that's the button that's on the front cover there. Now then, I want a rotation vector. This is the map that's going to be rotated. And we can make these private. We don't have to do this one serialized because we're not adding it. 3. Okay. I want to start time and end time, but we will do that in a second, okay? On the start, we're going to add a listener to that open button if it's available, because we don't want it crashing on us, okay? If not equals no, then we're going to add a listener. On click, add listener. And this is not going to have any parameters. So let's go down here and work on our open button. We're just creating this new method here. And the only thing that this is going to do right now is going to set as a rotation vector. Okay? It's going to set, another thing we want to do, I only want it to go once. I don't want it to go indefinitely, but we will do that in a second. I'll show you what it's going to do. Let's say rotation vector equals new vector 3, 0, 180, 0. Okay, so on update, first thing, we don't want it to rotate if it's not being clicked. So we're going to add a boolean. Is open clicked. And over here on the open, we're going to say, yes, it has been clicked. Okay. And so on our update, if open has been clicked, then we're going to do some stuff. Otherwise, we're not. So we're going to say, if it's been clicked, we're going to say, we're going to rotate it. So rotate, rotate. That rotation vector times time dot delta time. You'll be doing that a lot when you write games notes. So let's save this and let's see what happens. So let's add this to our object. Did it add? And we need to add our button. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're doing something. That's a start. I'm going to call this video done. And the next time we will work on fixing this, okay? Bye.